The anchor of a home is rarely the art on the walls or the books on the shelves. It is the place where the body finally comes to rest after a day of dealing with the world. In the mid-century era, furniture was designed with a specific philosophy: clean lines, honest materials, and a refusal to clutter the visual field. The Tbfit 65-inch Loveseat follows this tradition, acting as a reminder that a living space doesn't need to be massive to be meaningful. It is a piece built for the constraints of modern life: the narrow apartment hallways, the studio lofts, and the quiet corners of a bedroom that need a touch of character. There is a distinct tension in buying furniture online. It usually involves a gamble between quality and convenience. However, this Loveseat bridges that gap with a surprising amount of grit. It arrives not as a chaotic puzzle, but as a well-engineered set of 4 primary pieces: the base, the backrest, and the sides. The assembly is a brief ceremony, a 10-minute transition from a box to a solid structure. The secret lies in the heavy-gauge metal slide-together brackets. There is a profound satisfaction in hearing those pieces lock into place, creating a frame that feels rock-solid rather than wobbly or temporary. It is furniture that respects your time. Even the hardware is tucked away thoughtfully inside the armrests, a small detail that suggests someone actually cared about the unboxing experience. Once standing, the Loveseat reveals its true nature. It is firm. In a world of overstuffed, sagging sofas that swallow you whole, this piece offers a different kind of hospitality. It is a seat for the alert, for the person having a deep conversation over coffee, or the reader who wants to finish a chapter without falling into a nap. The cushions are built with high-bounce springs and thick foam, providing a base that supports a combined weight of 660 pounds without a hint of surrender. The linen upholstery has a beautiful, tactile weave that feels durable enough for daily life, but soft enough for a quiet evening. The design is unapologetically low profile. The backrest stands 15 inches from the seat cushion, a height that keeps the room feeling airy and open. While this low back is a hallmark of the mid-century aesthetic, it is a choice of style over slouching. It encourages a certain posture. For those who prefer to settle in for hours, the addition of a lumbar pillow is a simple fix that turns a stylish accent into a long-term sanctuary. Even the solid wood legs, made from FSC-certified timber, are tapered to give the piece a sense of lightness, as if it is hovering just above the floor. There is a practical beauty in the size. At 65.2 inches wide, it is large enough for 2 people to sit comfortably without feeling crowded, yet compact enough to fit through the smallest passage. It is the gem of the small space world, a piece that looks expensive and feels intentional. Whether it sits in a large bedroom to create a private reading nook or acts as the primary seating in a first apartment, it carries an air of quiet elegance. It doesn't demand attention through bulk, it earns it through craftsmanship. A home is built through a series of small, wise choices. Choosing a piece that combines sustainability, ease of use, and a timeless silhouette is one of those choices. It is a soft landing in a hard world, a sturdy place to sit while the rest of life moves by.